Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes. It's time for Fundations. Today we're doing Unit 8, Day 2, and we're going to be working at sounds of the R-controlled vowels, AR and OR. But first, let's go through our trick words for Unit 6 or 7 and 8. Here we go. Read with me. Change, family, large, something, house, only, move, night, 8, every, city, different, answer, world. All right, nice job. Now let's go through our sounds. We're going to review the R-controlled sounds. Echo me. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, UR, burn, IR, bird, Very nice. Okay, so boys and girls, before we begin working on R-controlled words today, I want to review some sounds that you need to know that we've had these before, but we need to review them. Now, the first sound that we're going to look at are the long sounds of I. So first we have echo me, I, hi, I. So you need to write I. Okay. And you need to do I, pine, I. Let me write that one. I, consonant E. I, pine, I. And finally, we have Y, cry, I. And with the Y, you're going to put the I up above and have a long I. These are the sounds of long I. Okay, teachers, if you need to pause the video while your students write this, go right ahead. And next slide. Okay, the other long vowel sounds that we need to review are the sounds that you hear for long U. Now, for long U, oh, where'd my cards go? Here they are. Sorry about that. We have U, flew, U, U, pupil, U. Ah, my cards are mixed up today. I'm sorry. U, flew, U. And you hear that sound. Let's put long U. Long U. And you hear that sound in U, rescue you. And you also hear it in UE. And we also have that sound in U, rule you. And this one is U, consonant E. So 3 ways to make the long U sound. U, as in U, pupil U. UE, as in U, blue U, and U, rescue you. And U, consonant E, as in U, rule you. Teachers, pause the video till your students are ready. And let's go on. All right, now on to R-controlled words. R-controlled vowels can really change a word. For example, write the word ham. Echo me, ham. Ham. Now this is a short vowel word, 1 syllable, and it is closed. But when you change that A to an R-controlled vowel, A-R-M, harm, when you change that, then suddenly the word is very different. Ham, harm. And you have to go ahead and circle the AR, scoop it, and it is R controlled. Ham, harm. All right, new slide. Now we're going to be doing some pairs of words that one word will have AR and the second word will have OR. And you'll see what a difference just switching that R-controlled vowel can make. And as we go through, every time we have an R-controlled vowel, we're going to circle it. All right, so let's begin. Here's the first one. Echo me. Barn. B-R-N. Barn. Now let's mark it. Circle the AR, and I circled it in a different color. And scoop it. And it is an R-controlled word. Well, now we're going to go through and we're going to change the AR to OR. So B-O-R-N. And what's the new word? Born. My granddaughter was born just recently. So I circle the OR, scoop it, and it is R controlled. Now you'll notice AR and OR, we put the same kind of syllable. They're both R controlled. And you have to circle the R, the OR and the AR. Show your teacher your slide. And next slide. Okay, our next word, echo me. Park. We went to the park. P-R-K. Park. Okay, let's mark it. We have circle the AR, scoop it, and it is R controlled. Now, when you change park, take out the AR and put OR. What's the new word, class? Pork. Pork is a type of meat. Think pork chops. They're very good. Pork. P-O-R-K. And let's mark it. Circle the OR. Scoop it. And it is R controlled. Show your teacher your board. And new slide. Okay, the next pair of words, echo me. Farm. That's right, farm. And let's go ahead and mark farm. Circle the AR. Scoop it. R controlled. Farm. Now change that AR into OR. F-O-R-M. And what's the new word? Form. Form. When you are taking your spelling test on Fridays, you're filling out a form. If you are shooting a basketball, if you shoot a certain way, that is, if you have good form, you're more likely to make your basket. So circle the OR, scoop, and it is R controlled, form. Okay, show your teacher your board. And next slide. Okay, our next word, echo me, part. I played a part in the play. Or if you work together, you have to do your part. Okay, circle the AR, scoop it, and it is what kind? R controlled. And change the AR to OR. And the new word is what? Port. That's right. A port is where a ship might land. Port. So we're going to scoop it, circle the OR, and put R controlled. Show your teacher your work. Good job. Now, OR is kind of tricky because we know that we use it in a word like corn. C-O-R-N. Write the word corn. I like to eat corn on the cob. But sometimes OR can be spelled O-R-E. And when that happens, it looks like this. C-O-R-E. Core. O-R-E. So the O-R sound can be spelled either O-R or O-R-E. It can be spelled either way. It just depends on the word. If you have a word that ends with the sound of O-R, it's probably going to have the E on the end. Let's practice some of those words. Echo me. Store. I went to the store. Okay. S-T-O-R-E. Now let's mark them. Circle the O-R-E. Scoop it. And it is R controlled. And yes, that is a blend there. I forgot to mark these up here. These would be R controlled. Okay. The next R controlled word, echo me, more. M-O-R-E. More. Let's scoop it. Circle your O-R-E. And it is R controlled. Let's read the words together. Echo me. Corn, core. Store, more. Together. Corn, core, store, more. All right, good job. Erase. All right, new slide. Okay, our next word is a two-syllable word that has an R-controlled sound in it. Echo me. Explore. First syllable, X. Second syllable, plore. Explore. All right, let's spell it. X, X, plore. P, L, or, ooh, that one ends in an OR sound. So we have to add the E. Explore now. Scoop it. Explore. And let's see, this is a short vowel, and it is closed. And the O-R-E, circle it, and it is R controlled. Show your teacher your work, please. And that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, boys and girls.